Use U.S. electronics in Europe with this power cord. Connector 1. C13 IEC. Connector 2. C7/7 male. Use U.S. electronics across Europe. One end of this power cord will work with most PCs, monitors, scanners, printers and other devices that use the 3-pin shroud power connector. The other end features a 2-prong Schuko European plug. The female connector plugs directly into device, while the male connector plugs into the standard European outlet. This premium, heavy-duty, 14 Aruban Florins cord features a fully molded design for maximum durability and long life. Top reviews from the United States. Works well. I use this to power the charger for my Pride mobility scooter on cruise ships. Nice length, never have had a problem. Very nice quality cable for the money. I used it to replace a lost cable that went with a 220-volt 15-amp European-made autoclave. I still had to cut off and replace the male European plug end with a US 20-amp 220-volt plug that I bought for $15 from our local building supply, but it saved us a lot of money over buying the OEM cable for this equipment.